Good morning. This is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the Eastern Idaho planning briefing for Sunday, August 2nd. I'll first look at the weather impact summary. It's going to continue to be hot through Monday. We continue to have a heat advisory out for much of the region, Southern Highlands, Snake River Plain, into the Wood River Valley. We will have a cold frontal passage with gusty winds Monday afternoon and early evening. The gusty winds will mainly be in the Snake River Plain. We will also have isolated thunderstorms in the eastern mountains. And there will be a slight chance of afternoon thunderstorms through the remainder of the week, mainly in the mountains. And it will be slightly cooler as well once we get past Monday. Now looking at the satellite loop currently. Generally clear skies over Idaho. The high clouds that were overhead yesterday have pushed east. So we are going to have quite a bit of sunshine once again today, along with the very hot temperatures. Here's the weather impact overview. Again, the main impact will be heat today. And again, we have moderate impacts, Snake Plain, Magic Valley, Southern Hills, and also the Wood River area. And that is where we have the heat advisory out through midnight tonight. On Monday, we have the cold front moving through. It's still going to be hot, though, ahead of the cold front. And we will have breezy conditions, mainly Snake River Plain, Magic Valley, and Southern Highlands. And then the isolated thunderstorms again in the eastern highlands. Not expecting many impacts Tuesday or Wednesday. And again, more widespread thunderstorms as we get into Thursday across the higher elevations. And even Wednesday, we may see some isolated activity. But again, it should be more widespread on Thursday. And here's where I have the heat advisory out today. In the orange, again, pretty much all of the Magic Valley, Snake River, lower Snake River Plain. And it extends north into Haley. And again, this will extend in effect through Monday or through midnight tonight. And here are the forecast high temperatures today. You can see mid to upper 90s across a good portion of the region. Some of the lower elevations in the Southern Highlands reaching 100. Pocatello expected to reach 100 again today. And again, even into the low 90s as far north as Stanley, and upper 90s into Chalice. So very hot everywhere. Most areas reaching the 90s. And you can see Monday still hot, but a bit cooler than today. Generally lower to mid 90s in the Snake River Plain and Magic Valley. And most of the mountain valleys in the 80s tomorrow. And then behind the cold front Tuesday, even cooler. Generally right around seasonal normals, upper 80s in the Snake Plain. Mid 70s to mid 80s, mountains and mountain valleys. Minimum humidity today very low. Most areas below 15% in the dry air mass, and continued very low Monday. We will have some fire weather concerns as well tomorrow with the low humidity in the Snake River Plain, and also the wind gusts, which I will show shortly. Again, moistening up Tuesday with the cooler temperatures. Not many areas below 15% by Tuesday. And here are the forecast wind gusts Monday afternoon. You can see up around in the Arco Desert, we're expecting some above 30 mile per hour gusts with 25 or higher Magic Valley into the lower Snake River Plain. And continuing through early evening, again, fairly widespread 30 mile per hour gusts across most of the Snake River Plain. And some good news, looking at the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, it is showing a better chance of below normal temperatures actually in the August 7th through August 11th time frame. So we are getting out of this extremely, extremely hot weather we've been having by Tuesday. So again, summing up the weather impacts, very hot through Monday. Cold frontal passage with gusty winds Monday afternoon and early evening, mainly in the Snake River Plain. Could see some isolated thunderstorms as well in the eastern mountains. And then only a slight chance of afternoon thunderstorms through the remainder of the week. Again, mainly high elevations, and it will be slightly cooler as well once we get to Tuesday. That will end the briefing today. If you have any questions, contact us at the number listed here 24 hours a day, or go to our website for more detailed information listed below. Thank you, and everyone have a nice day today.